Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC. Now, we still have about 5.8 trillion coins out there in circulation, and it's believed that Binance alone can burn up to 2.5 trillion coins within the next few years, because Binance have been burning more than half of the current burn of Terminal Cloud. I think 51% of the total burn. So, and they have been maintaining this level since last year. And not just about the burning, they also maintain 50% of the trading volume of Terminal Classic. And in fact, the market cap of Terminal Classic, more than 50% of the Terminal Classic market cap is on Binance. So you see, and then the burning, recently they promised that they will be supporting Terminal Classic more. And I know the burning of Terminal Classic is one of the major things Binance are also focusing on, to make sure that they keep on supporting LUNC by destroying Terminal Classic coin, by burning a lot of coins. I believe about 2.5 trillion coins of Terminal Classic will be destroyed by Binance alone, because this exchange have all it takes to burn 2.5 trillion within the next few years. Now, I know some people might be expecting Terminal Classic to destroy this within the next 12 months, but it's not going to be easy to burn out about 4 or 5 trillion coins in 2 years. So I believe that in the next 5 years to come, Terminal Classic can be able to burn between 2.5 to 5 trillion coins. That is if they maintain high trading and if they keep getting big investors pumping the money into Terminal Classic. This is why we need big investors. This is why we need billionaires to invest on Terminal Classic, and this is why we want to see that Terminal Classic will keep on increasing every day. Once the trading is on, once the trading is high, definitely the burning will definitely increase in price within the next few years. Now, Binance 2.5 trillion is a lot of coins, but I still believe that yes, Binance can do that. Binance can burn 2.5 trillion coins of Terminal Classic LUNC within the next few years. And of course, Binance will continue to support, because they've actually said that by themselves. They are here to support. They will keep on supporting. So one thing I love about LUNC once again is because that this coin does not have much coin. Now, with what happened to Terminal Classic, imagine that Terminal Classic is a coin like Shiba Inu. Or imagine Terminal Classic is a coin like when you talk about Shiba Inu, we talk about Tectonic Token or Shiba Doge. These coins, they have a lot of supply. Now, Shiba Inu have over 580 trillion supply. Now, imagine that Terminal Classic have such number of supply, 580 trillion. Then what happened to Terminal Classic definitely means it will be difficult for this coin to really revive, because the point of Terminal Classic is one of the best ways they believe this coin can revive. Now, how will Terminal Classic burn out 580 trillion? So one good thing is that the Terminal Classic only have about 5.8 trillion supply. So it will be easier for this coin to burn this number of coins in the next few years to come. So I believe that yes, they have all it takes to destroy a huge number of Terminal Classic within the next few years. And I hope that Bitcoin will continue to rise, Ethereum will continue to rise, and I believe that before the end of this year, BTC might be hitting back at $50,000 or $60,000, and I believe in the next 3 years, Bitcoin might be hitting towards $100,000 to $500,000. Once again, thank you for stopping by.